Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keisha, also known as Naturalista Key. If this is your first time here, welcome. This is a mini tutorial on my wash day. I actually will be dropping this video on Sunday, so make sure you check that out. All the products I'm using in this video are Mielle Organics, which does great wonders for my 4C hair. You guys will soon be able to tell that I have very coarse, thick, 4C hair. Make sure you watch to the end so you can actually see my hair grow from when I first started my natural hair care journey up until now.